Hello everyone, welcome to another 2013 released Gemini Jets review. Today's will be Air Canada Rouge Boeing 767-300ER. When I say Rouge, I mean Rouge. It's not Rogue. Apparently, Rouge means red in French. So that's why it's all red. Now, according to the box, back up. Push back. There's Air Canada Rouge. They don't have the Airbus A318 out just yet. But I'm sure they will have them, folks. Don't worry. Here's our information. Here's where the plane's supposed to be. That's it. The back, we have our plane climbing, then all the information. Joy. Alright, let's go. I believe this is, no it's not, my fault. This is our beautiful, luxurious Rouge. When I mean Rouge, I mean red plane. It tipped its nose up like that because I'll tell you later. A little later in the review. So, here we are at the beginning, just like in my last review. For those of you who don't know the Viva Colombia review, we have spikes coming in toward the center of the nose. Then we have our cockpit windows with the windshield wipers. Can you see them? No, you don't. Just there you go. Alright, we have our movable nose gear. Then we have our red engines, or should I say Rouge engines. Then we have our wings. And here's why the nose always tips up. When I bought this, someone accidentally hit it, and the wheel popped out. Oh my gosh. So the plane always tips back. So on the bottom, we've got our tail, our hole for the Gemini Jets chrome display stand, and our tail, the best tail ever. Has half the flag. Okay. That's a little hard to see, so I'll have it down there. So I'll have it down here somewhere. So it is registration CGHPE. Repeat. C-GH. Sorry about that. Let me repeat it. C-GHPE. Okay? And over the wings we have the instructions for the escape slides. Woohoo. That's really it. And we have our light up here. Light on the tail. We are done. Now, this is it for this review. I will see you in my next one.